What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We're on our way to LA right now. We're filling up the tank on this guzzler. Today is my brother's B-Day, so man, we about to try to go up for him or something. I might get y'all some donuts in here, a little bit of something, man. Just stay tuned. You know, we heading to LA. It is a Sunday, so if it's not raining too bad, we will attend maybe some Sunday fun day action. Who really knows? But yeah, we in the Camaro, man. Stay tuned and let's hop on this road, get going. Just hoping this no tires get low or nothing like that on the road, because like this is my new set of tires. They are like super low profile compared to my other ones, so let's hope for the best here now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, we have made it back to lovely Los Angeles. Let me get you that beautiful view of downtown LA, man. Back in the city of dreams, man. It feels so lovely, and I'm in that joint on them joints. Yes, sir, we are back, man. So, about to go get some breakfast real quick. Try to see if we can't find any of our buddies out in the streets today. You know, when they had their whips, they was pulling up, skirting off, doing all the above, man. I'm out here now, and where people at, and you know how it's gonna go down. Alrighty, guys, we have made it to LA, man. If you guys recognize this spot in some of the videos, man, this is one of the famous spots. People take pictures and videos of their cars, so you know we got to get our due diligence in and get our pics before too much traffic get out of here. So yeah, we out here downtown LA, man. We might run into your boy Tall Guy car reviews, but let's get right into it. Enjoy the video. I've made it to LA, man. We are right here downtown LA by the Staples Center, living this good old LA life, man. Rest in peace, Kobe. But yeah, let's go grab a bite to eat and stuff, and you know, enjoy this beautiful weather while we got it. Lovely Los Angeles, man. Then the homie pulled up. Trailblazer got for a deal, and they on them F things, man. Putting them 40s on everything. You feel me? Woo. Got one Trailblazer, got a Camaro, you feel me? Whole nother motherfucking Trailblazer Camaro, man. You see what the fuck going on? You see what's going on, man. We got one of the best soul food spots in LA, man. And you know I have to come through. Get some of them candy and some of that mac and cheese, man. You know we ain't playing no games. We here at Doolin's Soul Food Kitchen. And here is the final, you feel me, aftermath of waiting, man. We got some baked chicken with smothered like chicken sauce on it. Some candy yams, woo, falling at the camera, bro, with some macaroni and cheese, cornbread, man. Hold that. Feel me? Cornbread going up. You know, I forgot to get a drink, but it is what it is. Man, a homie pulled up sick, man. So this how you doing it. I came with the Camaro, he came with the Charger. 392 thing. Okay. Good, nigga. I was about to go pull up on my boy. I was gonna film that nigga cars for sale. If you wanna follow me real quick. So we just put up to my other boy crib, man. He got the other Scatpack. Got the new Camaro. Got the other 392. Feel me? I'm digging this color, man. This color go off. Yeah, he got the red. He got the red guts on his shit. For real? Yep. That's what I wanted. The red good. Gotta check out the homie cars he got for sale, man. He got a few whips for sale he done got from the auction and stuff. But how many cars you got for sale now? Like 4 or 5?
Yeah, I got 4 right now, so I only got 3 right here.
Oh, okay.
We be driving around there.
This one, I'm digging this color.
This the color I want.
Yeah, nah, that color get off. So what year is this, man? Oh, 07? 145,000 miles. Run good, no issues. 145,000 miles. Check. Oh yeah, you can start it. Look pretty fair in here. Sound all right. You got a little whistling noise under there. May just need to warm up a little bit. The tires pumped up. You good to go. Let's check out the inside of this joint. Does look pretty fair inside. Do have pretty decent interior, and you know the beige is typically like super wood, but this one actually is pretty clean on the inside. And he actually it's no check engine lights or nothing on that. He actually got this one from the auction a while back. Pretty clean little car though. Bought it with 145,000, well 44,000 from Manheim. How much you asking for this one? Where you go? You want 2,800 for it. It's a 07 Chevy Impala with 144,000 miles. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it, man. If y'all interested, let me know in the comments below. It's sounding pretty good though. It's sounding pretty good. Got the little radio working up. Copyright, sorry. But I mean, it seemed pretty fair. I don't know how much he wanted at the auction for, but I mean, 2,800 if you really need a car, decent car, this may be the one. So we got another couple cars, but we'll check them out as well. This one is a Toyota Camry, looks like. I would probably honestly choose this one over the Impala. Me personally, this would be your first choice over that. This one is a 2005 Toyota Camry with 136,000 miles. Oh, this the one you've been driving, huh?
Yeah, I've been driving.
Yeah, you've been driving this one the most.
I'm gonna go get some honey.
Yeah, all right. That thing sound good, dog. Let's take a look at the inside of this one. It's got the gray cloth interior on this joint. Does look pretty good in here. He's only put about 3,000 miles on it since he's had it. Haven't heard of any issues, no check engine lights or anything like that, so that's a plus. He do got a pretty cool setup in here. Pretty legit looking little Camry. You can pop the hood on this joint. Oh yeah, this thing look immaculate under here. Look how clean this engine bay look. Wow. They must have steam cleaned this or whatever. I don't know how much I think he gonna want for it. Let me know before he pull back up, and we'll see if we guess it right. I'm thinking like 35, maybe even like close to 4. Look like it might have been repaired or resprayed there, but it does look like it was fixed pretty decently, so that's a plus there too. I don't know what you guys think about it, man. Let me know in the comments below. Man, this color get off, man. Got the meaty tires on there. That shit go crazy. You ain't do no donuts in it yet? Nah, man, I'm scared. A burnout?
Yeah, like just leaving the light.
Yeah.
Motherfucker scared me, man.
Do it got like fucking that little launch control shit? Yeah. This thing nice though. See, it was out of this one or the Camaro, man. So let me see what I would have got.
Hey, don't dog my shit, but go around the corner.
Nah, man, you good, man. You good. Shit, I don't mind, you know. I don't mind. Got the fresh interior. This joint nice. And the other homie got the Scatpack, but he got the red interior, man. But these joints look clean as heck. Cool. All right, so SRT mode, you said push track.
Yeah, push track. That's the one.
So I don't got to do nothing else. It's good to go.
Shit gonna take off.
All right.
Shit turns off traction by itself.
Yeah.
Nigga don't be dogging my shit. Hear that nigga all the way around the block.
Yeah, that shit way different. I wasn't expecting that. It's chirping
That
and
nigga said
shit.
the Camaro faster than this.
Nah, I like that shit.
You raced that nigga in your Camaro yet?
This one, nah.
Yeah, he must ain't really had too many races.
Nah, I ain't even racing that shit yet.
Oh, that 10-speed train is something different.
You know, it's shit.
19, don't you?
Yeah, but this shit be chirping though. I didn't think it was like that.
That second gear,
That shit chirp for sure. I didn't think it was like that.
You know I know.
No, for sure.
Imagine a Hellcat.
No, we also got a freaking 2004, man, Honda Civic here, 2-door coupe, man, automatic, 141,000 miles. How much you want for it?
35.
35 for it, man. 141,000 miles. Pretty decent car, clean title, registered.
No, all the prices include registration and smog.
Yeah, all in prices include registration and smog, so you know that's a plus there too, man. Pretty nice looking car. We can check out the inside really quick. First glance, it does seem pretty cool. Got some nice cloth black interior, no rips or nothing like that, man. So that's a plus. Pretty good looking car. Nice Alpine radio. No lights on the dash or anything like that. 141,000 miles, guys. Does have a sunroof, so this may be the top of the line Honda Civic of this year. Pretty cool, clean looking car. Got the 10 on it already. So he wants about 37 or 35 for this. I don't know. If y'all interested in anything, man, let me know in the comments below. And drop your email and I'll get back to you guys. Just drop your email and I'll get back to you guys. So, yeah. Feel me? Y'all see the lineup, though, nigga? Ew. Wet shit only, boy.
Unboxing. Oh yeah.
What is that? Like,
Supposed to be the Scatpack.
what lights is in for?
For the LED. Hold on.
That's hard. Yeah, that's killing the one you just had in there. I don't know what that one was. But
Give me the one up there on the trunk.
You got a recorder?
Yeah, he got it. He's on his YouTube channel.
Man, that's pretty hard. Barely.
It's obscured. Kind of got damaged somehow.
Make it look super exclusive.
I mean, just a couple
Like,
dollars.
you ain't got this package.
A couple dollars can change your whole car. Man.
No, for sure. Let's get off. I like that. Yeah, super nighttime is gonna look hard.
And they bright because it's daytime.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying.
Right there, you can still see them.
That shit look hard. Alrighty, guys, and as we cruise through the city of Angels on this late Sunday, well, Monday night now, actually, we hit Crenshaw Square, the famous Crenshaw Square, man. Let's see if we can get a little bit of footage for you. We got the lowrider, little neon Lolo. Got the neon Lolo. We out here at Crenshaw Square. The homie brought the IROC out. And of course, we on them F things, man. You gotta be on them F things, dog. Yeah, he got the extra slap on there. The things on the back. Y'all see the lip on this joint? Feel me? That's how we do it in LA. I told you, man, it's only a matter of time. We gotta put the wheels. We had to put the wheels on there. Y'all see his. I see him. Everything forged up on the infamous Crenshaw late night. Alrighty, guys, next day here, man. Freaking got back late last night, dog. And my car is filthy. I got sunflower seeds and stuff everywhere. Look, check it out. Let's see if we can get that automatic start for you, though. Awaken now. I'm still getting it together, man. Shout out Tall Guy and Organic, man. Still getting it together, though. Let's see. Look, I got sunflower seeds everywhere. Like, me on a road trip, I'm gonna have the car filthy, dog. Cause I already know, had coffee. It's just dirty as heck in here, man. So, about to clean it up. You know, me on a little road trip, man. I don't care about the inside, cause I know once I get there, I'm gonna clean it up anyway. So, let's go get this thing cleaned up, man. So, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you will, don't hesitate to share the video as well, man. About to go to the auction and pick up this car we won. So, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Yes, sir. Ooh, wait. Ain't wet, man.